So today is Monday, right? So next Monday is holiday. There is Tamulosa, right? But there will be regular coaching class. Understood or not? Then the very next day you have got your which exam? Third term examination. So be prepared for it. Understood or not? But your exam will be held from 18th, not from 16th. Yeah, class 8 and class 9. Your exam will start from 18th and it will end on 25th. So 2 more days. We'll begin 2 more days later on, and it goes like that, right? So after completion of your exam, regular this full-fledged days work will be stopped, but coaching class will continue. Understood or not? There will be coaching class for you. Remember. So you have to be prepared for it. Is that clear? What are you writing there? One word at a time. Eric Hadka. His pen was in his hand and writing something. What are activities? Keep your hands down. What are Chamdagiri? Huh? So the chapter matter is going to be completed today. Yesterday we discussed how to calculate molecular weight. So how can we calculate molecular weight? What is the formula? To find molecular weight, we must know atomic weight of elements, right? If you know atomic weight, then we can calculate accordingly, right? Okay. Now today we are going to discuss some terms. What are they? What the first one? Chemical reaction. Can you see a chemical reaction? Yes. Next one we will discuss about physical change and chemical change. What do you discuss? Physical change and chemical change. Then we will be discussing about chemical equation, word equation. Next one is formula equation, unbalanced equation. Next one, balance equation, and how to balance the equation and some examples. We have got lots of things to do today. So you are champion in doing work. Nowadays you are sincere. I am very happy. Give a big round of applause. Clap with sound. So, clapping means it is a time to be happy. And if you are happy, you can learn the things. You can understand. And I reminded many times, there must be presence of mind. What we are doing inside, focus on it. Understand? Okay, children. Now let's begin our discussion. If we talk about our surrounding, different type of changes keep on going, right? Morning time, so cold, right? Now I think it is little bit warmer. At noon, much more warmer, right? Morning time, when you got up, there was nothing in the kitchen. Or sometime mother might have come and she prepared some food. That is also a kind of change, right? And sometimes you complain to me, sir, because of nail my pant is torn. That is also change. Yes or no? Nail, does it do or not? And you may be walking, held down. Ah, sir, pain. That is also change. So changes, they keep on going continuously. So the changes can be categorized into how many types? 2 types. How many types? One is physical change and another one is chemical change. Changes may be physical or what is that? What is the next type of change? Chemical. So what is physical change? Are you underlining this thing or not? That is presence of mind. Only looking here doesn't matter. Physical change is that change in which physical properties of the substance is changed, but chemical composition remains same. Take one paper, tear it. Small bits of paper you will get, right? Size decrease, but chemical composition remains same. Take some water, keep in deep freeze of your refrigerator. What will happen? That will change into ice or not? Water has changed to ice. So that is physical change or chemical change? Physical change. Because new substance is not formed. Here we have to remember, if the change is temporary, that is physical change. If the change is permanent, that is chemical change. If new substance is not formed, what is that? Physical change. If new substance is formed, what is it? Chemical change. There is milk. Milk is heated. That is physical change or chemical change? Did some new thing form over there? Nothing is formed. Means physical or chemical? Physical. But in milk, add some sugar, tea leaves, and heat it. What do you get? You will get some new thing. Milk tea. What is that? Chemical. Yes or no? In that way, we have to find out. So, in physical change, the atoms, molecules, they do not do anything. They remain same only. But in chemical change, look at here, you underline this. In chemical change, the atoms and the molecules of a substance are rearranged to form new substances. In physical change, atoms, molecules, they do not do anything. They will remain same. But in chemical change, they rearrange. They may form new partners. A new type of chemicals are produced. So, some of the examples of physical change are melting of ice into water. Melting of ice into water. Breaking stone into small pieces. Right? Tearing off of cloth. These are examples. You have got more. Actually, I have noticed some of the children are so much creative. A kind of dough, a kind of mod is found in the market. By the help of that mod, they make different shapes. Mod is used for making shape. That is physical change or chemical change. Physical change, no new substance is found. But that mod is mixed with some other chemicals and new substance is found. What is that? Chemical change. You just make concept here. Whether new substance is found or not. In chemical change, new substances are formed. For example, burning of wood. If wood burns, then is there forming some new thing? Preparation of rice pudding. That is also. Your curry. Curry means you prepare curry, right? Maybe gravy or roasted one. That is physical change or chemical change? That is chemical change. Right? Remember. Now, this chemical change is connected with chemical reaction. Chemical change is connected with, when there is change in chemical properties, then it is chemical reaction. For example, wood. Wood means there is presence of carbon. In wood, what is there? Carbon reacts with oxygen. Reacts with, then what is formed? Carbon dioxide plus what is formed? Energy or heat is produced. Now, this is physical change or chemical change? Chemical change, because carbon, here is carbon dioxide. New substance is formed. So, if chemical reaction is expressed in terms of equation, that is called, what is it called? Chemical equation. In mathematics, you have written x plus y equals to 7. Yes or no? That is also equation. What is that equation called? Algebraic equation. What is that? Next one, sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. You have written like that? Trigonometric equation. That is algebraic equation. This is, and this is chemical equation. If chemicals are used in representing equation, what is it called? Chemical equation. So, what is the definition of chemical equation? Please check the definition here. A chemical equation is a symbolic representation of a chemical reaction. When chemical reaction is represented by using symbol, what is it called? Chemical equation. In chemical equation, there is left hand part that is called reactant. What is it called? Reactants. They react with each other. Then something is found at the end of reaction. What is it called? Product. In chemical equation, there are two parts. Left hand side part, what are they called? Reactants. The right hand side part are called products. Reactants take part in chemical reaction, and products are found at the end of chemical reaction. These chemical equations are of two types. How many types are there? What are they? Word equation, and next one, formula equation. Word equation and formula equation. Okay, how do you define word equation? Please read, and underline there also. A chemical equation can be represented by writing the full names of reactants and products, putting an arrow between them. That is called word equation. If chemical equation is represented by using word, for example, if I write here magnesium plus oxygen, what do you write here? Now magnesium oxide. So here is arrow. Left hand side, these parts are called reactants. And what are these? Products. If reactants and products are written by showing one arrow, that is word equation. Here is presence of word only. Magnesium, oxygen, magnesium oxide. Like carbon plus oxygen. What do you get here? Carbon dioxide. What are the reactants here? Carbon and oxygen. Reactant. Product, carbon dioxide. Here is water. What is this? Water breaks down into hydrogen plus, what is this? Oxygen. What is reactant here? Water. What are products? Hydrogen and oxygen. If there is presence of word in equation, what is it called? Word equation. Is that clear? But in the word equation, it changes into formula equation or symbol equation, then what do we call it? Formula equation. Or in formula equation, just look at here. What is this? C, carbon, plus oxygen, what do you write here? O2. What is from here? Carbon dioxide. Now, the equation is expressed by using symbols. CO2, CO2 means this type of equation is called, what is it called? Formula equation. What is this? Oh, yeah. For example, if I write here Al, what is this? Aluminium plus Cl2, chlorine. Then it gives AlCl3. AlCl3 because valency of aluminium is 3. So, which are the reactants here? Aluminium and chlorine. And what is the product? Aluminium chloride. So, what type of equation is this? Formula equation. What is this? Formula equation. Formula equation are of two types. Oh, Tenzing, smart body here. Your eyes are going fir outside. You want to go into that drill work? That is also okay. Yes or no? If you don't study, then that is better. And jindagi will parra purra. To earn money also it will be difficult. Now come decide. Sitting posture also wrong. You are smart, Bhaiya. You are very lucky. Many children they haven't seen smart board also. But in Anupam, every day there is class room activities in smart board only. That should be thankful to God. You are in Anupam school and focus on study. Presence of mind. Others karke. Okay. How many types of formula equations are there? Two types. What are they? Unbalanced equation and balanced equation. How many type of equations are there? Unbalanced and balanced. Unbalanced. What is unbalanced?
Which does not satisfy the law of conservation.
Which does not satisfy the law of conservation of mass. Why? Because the number of atoms of each element is not equal on both sides of the equation. By nail and CA, in formula equation, atoms of elements are unequal in reactants and products. In balance equation, what do you say? The number of atoms of elements are equal on reactants and products. I mean, just look at here. What is given here? Magnesium plus what is here? Chlorine. Magnesium and chlorine reacting. What is formed here? Magnesium chloride. This is formula equation. Yes or no? Now, how many magnesiums are here? How many are here? Equal or unequal? Equal. How many chlorines are here? How many chlorines are here? Here 2, here also 2. M is Cl2. Number of atoms of elements are equal or unequal both sides. This type of equation is called balanced chemical. What is it called? Balanced chemical equation. Right? But if there is Al plus Cl2, AlCl3. Now we check here. How many aluminum atoms are here? 1. Here 1. Equal? Equal. How many chlorines are here? How many are here? Equal? Means what type of equation is this? Unbalanced. So unbalanced equation is also called skeletal chemical equation. What is it called? Skeletal chemical equation. So how to balance now this unbalanced equation? Eunice, focus here. How to balance? Now see, here are 2 chlorine, here are 3 chlorine. We cannot change. Oh sir, let's make here 3. Balance. That is not the way. Okay, Abhishek? Good idea. Sir, very easy. Change that 2 to 3 equal. That we cannot do. Because we have to write Al, only Cl2 must be written. But while writing AlCl3, there must be 3. Okay. Now we have to multiply. What do you do? Multiply. Here are 3 chlorine. Yes or no? If you multiply here by 2, then how many chlorine will be there? 2 3s are 6. Right hand side, how many chlorines are here? 6. Left hand side, how many chlorines are here? How to make 2 to 6? Multiply here. Now we have to multiply it. How many chlorine became? 6. How many are here? 6. Now how many aluminium atoms are here? 2 Al. Here also you have to write 2 Al. Now check, balance are. How many aluminium? 2. How many aluminium? How many chlorine? 2 3s are 6. Here 2 3s are 6. Now what type of chemical equation is it? Balanced chemical equation. Balanced chemical equation. Let's try another one. Another one I am just going to guide you. Here is H2NO2. What is given here? H2NO2, H2O, water. Is it balanced or unbalanced? Sooner you keep your hand down. Balanced or unbalanced? Unbalanced. Unbalanced means we have to balance or not?
Yes.
How to balance? Hydrogen are equal, but oxygen are unequal, right? How many oxygens are here? Here is only one. Then first of all multiply here by 2. Okay? A God Sahili. Now, 2 oxygen, balance. How many hydrogens are here? 2 twos are? How many are here? What to do? Multiply here by 2. Now check, is it balanced or not? Is it balanced? 4 hydrogen, 2 twos are 4 hydrogen, 2 twos are 4 hydrogen. How many oxygen? 3 oxygen. Balance? Done. Next one is okay. Is it balanced or not? Is it balanced? Balanced equation or unbalanced equation? Here are 2 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen. How balanced, right? How to balance? Multiply here by 2. If you multiply here by 2, hydrogen 2, hydrogen 2. Chlorine 2, 2 chlorine. This 2 is common of both. Now that is balanced chemical equation. Okay. Now another one. CaCO3. CaO plus CO2. Children, you check whether it is balanced or not.
Unbalanced.
You unbalanced?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, they said unbalanced. 1 calcium is here, 1 calcium. Equal?
Yes.
How many carbons are here? 1. How many carbon? 1. Equal? How many oxygens are here? 3. Here 1 plus 2. 3. Balance or unbalanced?
Balance.
Then you are saying sure, true, confirm. What other equation is this now?
Balance.
Balanced chemical equation this one. No need to balance. Already balanced. Did you get the idea how to find out? 1 calcium, 1 calcium. 1 carbon, 1 carbon. How many oxygens are here? 3. There is 1 plus 2. You have to add both. Confirm. ये confirmation I like. 100% also, right? 100% also. Now, okay, children. Next one I am just going to guide you. Here is N2. What is here? And here is H2. Now NH3. Is it balanced or unbalanced? Now unbalanced. Are you sure?
Yes.
How unbalanced? 2 nitrogen, 1 nitrogen. Oh, not equal, right? 2 hydrogen. Oh, not equal. Now how to balance? Multiplying. Okay, where to multiply? Where to multiply? Don't bite ball pen, bro. Here are 2 nitrogen. Yes or no? Here is only 1 nitrogen. Means first you multiply here by 2. 2 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen. Nitrogen balance, right? How many hydrogens are here? 2. How many hydrogens are here? 3 twos are. Multiply this one. 3 twos are 6. Here only 2. How to make 6? Multiply by 3. Now check whether balance or not.
Balance.
2 nitrogen. 2 nitrogen. 6 hydrogen. 2 3 are 6 hydrogen. Balance? Okay. Let's try another one. Al plus O2. What is given here? Al is aluminium. O2 is oxygen. Al2O3. What is that? Al2O3. Is it balanced or unbalanced? Unbalanced? How? Where is sugar? How unbalanced? You may say, sir, I am hungry, that's why unbalanced. Focus here. 1 aluminium, 2 aluminium means already unbalanced, right? What to do? Here are 2, here is 1 means first over write down 2. Aluminium 2, aluminium 2. Balance?
Yes.
Oh, Baba. How many oxygens are here?
3.
How many are here? Balance or unbalanced? Unbalanced. Now how to balance oxygen? Multiply where? Here? Multiply 2. If you multiply 2, let's see. 3 2 ja, how many oxygen? 6. Here how many? 2. 2 3 ja. Oxygen became equal? How many aluminum are here? 2 2 ja? 4. Here we wrote already 2, we have to cut that one. We have to cut. And what to write? 4. 4Al, 2 to the 4Al, 3 to the 6, 2 3 the 6. Balance or not? You try in your copy. I'll give you another one. N2 plus O2, NO2. Let's find out. N2 plus O2, NO2. Is it balanced? Now let's see who is the champion one. Plus O2.
Balance.
Now it's balanced.
O2 equals to 2N.
N2 plus O2 equals to NO2. Balance or not? So I said already balance. Here are 2 nitrogen, here 1 nitrogen. How balance, boy? Where? You are 2. You are 2. Now balance. Then oxygen became 2 to the 4. You have right here also 2. In that you have right. Okay, then okay. N2 plus O2. NO. Is it balanced?
Yes.
Is it balanced or not? How to balance? Where? 2 NO. Then balance. 2 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen, 2 oxygen, 2 oxygen. This 2 is common of both, eh? Understood or not?
Yes,
So, if you pay attention, it's very easy. Otherwise, very difficult. Now, last one, let's try. Last one is here. K plus O2. K2O. K plus O2, K2O. What to do?
4K
K and then 2 in front of K.
4, yeah?
Yes.
Yes.
Then? Here 2?
Yes.
Then balance?
Yes.
4K, 2 to the 4K. O2, 2. Balance. Give a big round of applause for it. Are clap, nicely clap. Okay. So this is the end of the chapter. Now today also I am going to provide you shape questions. From which one? Shape question. How much math question? 30 math questions. Please give me your book. And could you remember the
445 bits.
No. So, children, listen. Page number 345, shape questions. And how many MCQ? 8 MCQ?
Yes.
8 MCQ, then how many BSQ?
Yes.
7. 8, 7, 15 plus. Then how became? Yesterday, what was the format do accordingly? Otherwise, the mistake. MCQ 8. Very short. MCQ 7. BSQ 7. 14. They follow. Then 8 I have given. 7, 7, 8, 8. Yes or no? Okay, now listen. Is it given? Okay, now listen. Your homework is page number 346, 47, 48. Set book. Okay, question number 1.
100.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Got it?
Yes.
Group B. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up here, 7, 7, 14 became, right? Now, group C. Group C, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And group D,
18.
number 20 only. What to do? Only 20. Today only 20 have given. Okay. So 14 plus 14, 28 max question given today. Only 20 number you have to do. Such type of question you can discuss during evening time also with your teacher, eh? And make up to date and submit to me. And write down in your diary